Hey guys, in this video I want to go over how to activate your GIFGAFF eSIM. It's really easy and simple. First, you want to go ahead and check if your phone actually supports eSIM. Just make sure it is eSIM compatible. iPhones, newer Samsung and Google Pixel devices usually support eSIM. And your phone also must be unlocked in order to use a GIFGAFF eSIM, okay? So first, what you want to do is, if you haven't already, just go ahead and order a GIFGAFF eSIM. You can go and follow these instructions. Just go to their website, go to the SIM and eSIM section, order eSIM, follow the instructions, okay? And they'll send you a QR code via email once you're approved. Now, this is how you activate your GIFGAFF eSIM. So on your phone, you go to your settings and click on mobile data. Okay, this is for Android. If you're on iOS, go to cellular instead. So settings, cellular. So for Android, you go to settings, mobile data. For iPhone, go to cellular, okay? And then just go ahead and click on add eSIM. So next you want to select use QR code and just scan the GIFGAFF eSIM QR code and just follow the prompt to complete the installation. So you need to go ahead and set up your eSIM as either a primary or secondary. Okay, then just select the default mobile data, set that up, and your call preferences. Then just restart your phone and test it out. And if your QR code is not working, ensure that your phone is actually connected to Wi-Fi and try again. But if the activation still fails, you can contact their customer support for further assistance. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.